In this video, we will see the application of Extractblocks command in BricsCAD V22. Extractblocks command extracts a block instance from a drawing, creating a separate DWG file, and it can be used in 2D as well as in 3D. I have used a number of blocks to create the 3D model of this family house. This window is a block. When I take the cursor over here, you can see that it is W4. Now I'll take the cursor onto this window and you can see that it is FW5. Using Extractblocks command, I'm going to extract these windows as separate drawings so that it can be reused in any other drawing. I'll give Extractblocks. Now I'm asked to select the entities which are blocks. I'll select this block as well as this block, and you can select as many blocks as you want. Give an enter. Now you have got the select folder dialog box, using which you can choose the location of the newly created DWG file. By default, it goes to the components folder in the Bricsys folder. But I would like to keep it on a folder which I've created on my desktop. That is the blocks folder. I'll choose that folder and I'll give OK. Now let's open the blocks folder on the desktop. Then you can see that the software has created a folder in the name of the drawing file, which is 3D house. I'll open that folder, and here you can see the extracted blocks as individual drawing files. Now I'll open FW5 drawing, and this is the 5-panel window. And these drawings can be reused in any other drawing. For example, I'll open this particular drawing file. On this wall, there is a provision to insert a 4-panel window. I'll click on Insert tab, Insert Blocks, click on Browse option, and I'll select the blocks folder on the desktop, 3D house folder. I'll click on w4.dwg, open, and OK. Now you are asked to specify the insertion point. I'll pick this point as the insertion point. Now it's properly inserted. Hence, using the Extractblocks command, you can extract blocks from a drawing as individual drawing files, which can be inserted in any other drawing as a block. And the block name will be the same as the file name of the inserted drawing. In this case, you can see that it is W4, which is the file name of the inserted drawing. This concludes the tutorial on Extractblocks command in BricsCAD V22.